Travis Jr. here for yet another, not in shop, but at the house adventure. Today, what are we doing? We are cleaning this bucket of petrified wood from Holleywood Ranch. Now, we picked this up a while ago, and I completely forgot about it. And I pulled it out, and I discovered it, so I thought, yes, a piece of agate. We need to clean this up and show everybody what this looks like. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, we're going to see how well this will work today. So today, what we're doing is basically just taking some warm water, some more Dawn dish soap, and then plink these rocks that's been pre-soaking for a little bit. On into here. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on it. Similar procedure what we did another time. And then we're just going to sit here and shake them for a while. But first, we got somebody out here with us. Come here, Simon. Come here. Of course, he's not wanting to come out here. He's spoiled. He doesn't want to walk on the rocks. Okay, we're going to start off. I'm going to take this big one out for right now, because these big ones may not clean as well as I want for the procedures. But then, what's left in there, a little bit of Dawn dish soap. We're going to do a pre-soak and some hot water. Now, see, all we're doing is just shaking them up. Take them out. And I got another bucket over here. So for getting these pretty clean, this technique seems to work quite well. Now, we have picked up petrified wood in many locations throughout the Northwest. You know what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this Holleywood Ranch material to a bunch of other petrified wood that we've collected. I think I'll do that in my next video after this one for you guys, just so you can see the difference of what goes on here within the Pacific Northwest for petrified wood. Oh, that's a piece of agate there. Got some agate in even that's a spot of opal there. That's unique. This one's got a coating on it that we need to get removed. But you can see what that looks like. And then your typical standard petrified wood. You can see the growth rings on this one quite well. Okay, we're going to do more of it, and when we find some more cool pieces, we will show you. Just got to show you a real cool piece here. Rinse it off again. And we also found a nice piece of agate out there. So, it's pretty stuff. This one here. You can see the grain patterns in there. This one will cut up really nicely on the Highland Park Model J2 18-inch slab saw that we have. Has an agate seam going through it. Really cool material we got here. This is kind of like a jasper replacement. Don't know what we'll do with it. Now this one here with this shape, this would be a good one to put on the slab saw. Go ahead and trim the faces off and polish both ends of this. And do this on a multi-speed or variable speed angle grinder with those polishing pads. I might do that for you guys. I'll keep that in mind. I'll set this one aside for that project. Got some interesting colors in this one. Look at the blue in there. Yeah, this Holleywood Ranch petrified wood material definitely has its own unique look and characteristics to it. Now this one looks unique. It almost looks like burl wood or bogwood or something. Definitely different. I'd lean more towards like a burl. Can you see the herringbone structure in that wood? Now that's a telltale sign of a particular type of wood, I guess. I don't know what that is. If you know what that means, tell us in the comments below. Just because of that, that would be a neat one to just to go ahead and slab all the way across. See, there's a lot of jasper in this stuff. And Mrs. Jaws Jr.'s picked this one out to have faced. Although it's a smaller one, she wants that one faced. And there you go. Although, this is all taken within a very small area there at Holleywood Ranch. And actually the video, I'll put a link in the description to the video where we pick this stuff up. And I'll also take it at the end as well with the other videos. But, same location, a wide variety of different looks. Look at the red in that. It's got a seam of, well, when it's dry, it's going to look like it's druzy. And then here's another one too that would face up really nice. Look how the growth rings are in that one.
Another piece that has color in it.
Even the little ones here are impressive. Okay, well that brings this task to an end. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to round up a bunch of other petrified wood for you guys into another video and compare this Holleywood Ranch to everything else that we've collected and been given to us, and I think that we actually bought a couple pieces as well. We'll get all that stuff put out for you guys and we'll do a comparison just to show you the wide variety of wood that we know about here in the Pacific Northwest, and I'm sure we're not going to even hardly touch it, of what's all available out there. And everybody here is Simon, and we're going to leave you with him. Yeah, he's so excited, can't you tell? So just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine, and his too. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!